guys, it's MoneyMech. I'm going to be unboxing 2 2018 winter cases, 7 winter 2017 cases, and a rainy day custom case. But here I got a Mango package, so I might as well open that first. Let's see what we get. Probably some weapon. Yep, an ambassador. Alright. There you go. Now for the first case, we're going to be unboxing the 2018 case. Wait with the key? Yep, I'm sure. We got Strange Climbing Commander. That's pretty good, Strange. Let's look at it in a loadout right now. That looks pretty good. And it's strange. I wonder how much that's worth. Next, we are going to unbox another 2018 winter case. We got another strange mighty miter. Getting kind of lucky today. Don't want to push my luck for an unusual, but I kind of want an unusual. Let's see if we can get an unusual. Next is the 2017 case. But Cat's Pajamas. It's a pink item. We got the Festivizer. Alright. Look how lucky I am. Got 2 strangers and then a pink item. And a Festivizer. Next, we got another strange caribou companion. What is my luck today? Another strange. Well, I should be showing you guys these items. So, here's a strange mighty miter. It's like a church hat. Yeah. No, here's Cat's Pajamas. Look at that. And then the Caribou Companion. I'll just go to the scout, slap it on him. Little caribou hat. Got 3 strangers so far and a pink. Give me an unusual now. What's this? A pocket Santa? Alright. Not that good, but you know, take what you can get. Next, we are going to unbox another 2017 case, winter. Got a Festivizer, okay. We got a giftable, okay. What's the actual item? It is a puffy polar cap. What class is that for? I don't remember. Sniper. Let me just slap that on. Pretty basic hat. Not sure if it's worth much. Next is another 2017 winter case. What's more unusual? Strange. Alright. Another strange. I got 4 stranges now. Let's go to slap it on. Alright. Pretty strange how it wraps around the head. I think it kinda looks strange on him, but that's personal ideas. Let's see here. A burning beanie. That is the first purple item we get. Alright, this is for the pyro, of course. Just a little fire hat. Oops. Next. Trucker's topper for the engineer. Pretty basic hat. Oh wait, it's on the scout too. Oops. Okay. Kinda strange with him with long hair. I should check out the engineer too. Let me get off this man. Alright, yeah, pretty basic hat. Just some hair and a hat. earning little cap. Next, the final case, the rainy day cosmetic case. Now this better be unusual. I didn't spend 10 keys for nothing. Give me an unusual. Nope, it gives me another strange speeder spandex. Of course. Basically just makes his clothes into a onesie. But it's strange, that makes up for it all. Right. At least I didn't get a duplicate item, I guess. But kinda disappointing either way. I forgot to put the other festivizer and stuff right here. Where'd this go? Right here. These are all the items I got. I guess it's fine. Would have preferred an unusual, but you know, that's just how gambling works. You don't always win. At least you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stranges, 3 basic blue items, pink item, and no, a purple item and a pink item. Ooh. Okay. I guess that's it. That's it. See y'all.